hundreds of brothers that were kept in these dungeons for months, because it took about 3 to 4 months for the ships to cross the sea. Not only hundreds in this room, we talk about thousands, more than 900 to 1,000 men kept in between this chamber and the other chambers, which we will pass through. And they were packed in here. You went to Asinmansu to Last Bath, where they stopped the captives, bathed them, and made them look presentable so that they could be sold. For those of you that saw Sankofa, it was in this chamber. If you'll notice, around the walls, there are markings. Those markings are what the floor was like. It was at that level before it was excavated down to what it is that we now stand on. So what I want us to do is that I'm going to start lighting the candles, and one candle is going to light all of the candles. All right? So we'll start here. Who is the oldest person in the circle? Carol. Carol. All right, so I'm going to light your candle. You'll light her candle. She'll light the next candle. So all the candles are ready. So I just want you to stand silently in meditation as we go through the process. Just think about having been here. Think about those ancestors, your ancestors, who went through this experience. Can someone give Cheryl a candle, please? Here. Okay. And then Cheryl light her candle, and then she will light the next candle. And as our candles are being lit, I want us to remember our ancestors. And I'm going to start once again with Carol. Here's what I'm going to ask you to do. Now, you don't have to, I know how we feel with all the things that are going on, but you can just take some of this water and pour it into your mouth, okay, like this. And I want you to just turn around where you are and do what you say you do. Just take a little water in your mouth and spray it. Just hold it up and just pour a little bit in. And having returned and leaving a bit of ourselves here, that our circle will not be broken. We are giving thanks today for having returned us to this place. It is not just the Cape Coast Castle dungeons, it is wherever our ancestors were held as captives. We honor those places. For us, this is not a tourist visit, but these are the sacred grounds. Somebody's still all over themselves, but that's all right. A little drool, okay? Okay. What I want us to now do is I want you to remember those ancestors, your grandparents, your great-grandparents, and as we begin to pour libation, I want us to call out the names of those ancestors. All together, we begin to call them. We begin to honor them. Because they are thankful that we have been able to return to the beginning in order to honor them. For some of you, most of us are the first in our families to come to Africa, the first to stand here. We look at our coming as one from a family and two from a town. And some of you may never come back, but you will have fulfilled the prophecy that said that we would be in a strange land for more than 400 years, under the yoke of a people who knew us not. But we have returned. So we want to honor those ancestors.
Fred.
Jenny Howard Lee.
Bessie Smith, Warren Thomas, Henrietta Walker, Susie McIntyre, Uncle John, Uncle Anthony, Uncle Hyde, Aunt Sally, Z. Walker,
William Dodd.
Jimmy Thomas. Keep calling them. Call them.
William Henry Foster Sr., the
Call
Right
out their
Reverend.
names.
Wilhelmina Warren.
Because we are here. We are here to honor them. Call them. Raise up your voices.
Yeah.
Let them hear you. All right? Do not be afraid or ashamed.
Shake.
Call them. Michelle Martin. Tracy Anglin. Alfred Hines. Celeste James. Dr. Ben Yohanan. John Henry Clark.
Hawkins.
Marcus Garvey.
Hawkins. On that line.
Malik El Shabazz.
Ashe.
Toussaint D'Ouverture.
Ashe.
Martin Luther King.
Ashe.
Rosa Parks.
Ashe.
We
Ida
call
B.
you.
Wells.
Ida B. Wells.
Ashe.
We ask that you be in this space with us. We call you.
Ashe.
We call you.
Ashe. Ashe. Ya Satua. Ashe.
Samuel Ankrum.
Ashe.
Yes.
Ashe. Steve Biko.
Ashe.
Ashe. Samora Michelle. Ashe.
Larry Pierce.
Catherine
Martin
Dunn.
Hampton.
Ashe.
Lady Simon Shabazz.
Queen Mother Moore.
Talata
Adam Clayton
Bakari.
Powell. Ashe. Kwame Ture.
Kwame Nkrumah.
Ashe. Robert Nestor.
David Powell.
Ashe.
William Johnson.
Honorable Elisha Muhammad.
And all the ancestors' names that we have not called, but whose shoulders we stand upon. We bring into fruition this day the spirit of all of those ancestors. We thank you. We thank you for bringing us forward this day. We thank you. We thank you.
Honor you. We lift you up. Glorify you. We emulate you. We are. Ashe.